Back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB for your Chromebook, how to install the operating system in your Chromebook. So first thing you'll need is you have to add this extension in your Google Chrome browser, and once this extension is added you have to click on this extension and you'll see. So here we'll need 8 GB USB flash drive, and so I've connected my 16 GB flash drive to my laptop. Click on get started. Here you have to select the model number for your Chromebook. So my Chromebook model number is this one. To find your Chromebook model number, you have to go to recovery mode. You'll have to turn off your Chromebook and hold escape and refresh, and then turn on your Chromebook, and you'll get the recovery screen and you'll find this model number there. Or you can just click on the model, and from here you have to select your Chromebook model number and product. So you have both the option. So in my case I already know my Chromebook model number, so I've added the model number, and then you have to press continue, and here you have to select the media. So I've connected my 16 GB USB. I'll select this USB and then I will continue, and then it will ask you create a recovery image, and we'll see what's there in advanced settings. So here you have to select the operating system. You need enterprise or beta version or stable version. So I'll select here stable version and create now. Click on create now. So it is creating a recovery image. It's like installing, making your USB flash drive bootable, so you can install the Chrome operating system in your Chromebook. So it will take some time. Leave this for like 15-20 minutes. So guys, we have got successful message, and our USB is now ready to install the operating system in our Chromebook. So click on done. You can just ignore this message. So guys, next step is press and hold escape and refresh key on your Chromebook and turn on your Chromebook. This will take you to recovery mode. Once you get this mode, just leave the escape and refresh key and connect your USB bootable drive to the Chromebook, and it will automatically start installing the Chrome operating system in your Chromebook. So you see now you'll get the installing screen. So this is installation screen, and you see the Chromebook, the Chrome operating system installation is going on. So guys, you can see here installation is completed, and now it will restart. Now the language is Arabic, but you can change into English after restarting. So guys, installation is completed, and once the installation is completed, you have to pull out the USB and it will restart. Successfully, the Chrome operating system is now installed. Select the language. OK. Get started. Connect to Wi-Fi. Done. Enter Google account info. So now here you can log in with your email ID. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.